Alright, so in this video we'll be learning the basics of GTK, and we'll be making the most simple app which increases an integer value on the button click and then it displays it on screen. So we're gonna open up main.py and start a project for GI, and then we're going to require version GTK3. We're going to import GTK, and then I'm gonna create a class. On the init we're going to add super.init, so we're going to set the title and initialize the screen. So this is going to be the display integer. It starts with 0 and then goes up on every button click. We're going to add a header and we're going to add a button to the header. So we're going to connect the buttons clicked event to self increase value, just like that. Pack in the end of the headers, and then we can add the main box where we'll place the label. We're going to set the label markup to a big text. It's going to say hello, press the plus button on the header to change this text. The current value is 0, and we can do set justify. We're going to justify it to center, and then from the main box we're going to back it to the center, and we're going to create title bar from the header, and we're going to add main box to the main window, and we're going to create the increase value function. Is self.display. It's going to increase it by 1. Set markup big display. So we set the labels markup, simple as that, and then we're going to show all elements of the main box again. Go back to the def function main. So when is window, when.connect destroy, set the destroy event will be connected to GTK main quit. We're going to show the window and then start the main loop. If the name is main, then we're going to run the main function. Alright, and now we can run this code. Press the +1 button on the header right here to change this text. So 2, 3, 4, it's going to increase, and this is a very simple app, but I feel like it looks good. Why do we use GTK? GTK actually actively tries to follow your system. So I'm going to set this to 0. I haven't bothered installing. This looks more reddish. As you can see, the syntax is very simple. It's very intuitive. If you can read the docs, then you can do this. Peace out.